New video from Houston shows how big the tornado was over there. That's an EF-3 as it moved toward Baytown, what they call a wedge tornado. This was taken after the tornado took out large electric transmission lines. And certainly around the Houston metro, the cleanup continues as well. We know that power has been restored to all the campuses in Park ISD. The goal there is to have schools back open next week. And today, the school district offered free meals to students in need. Michelle Choi has that story.
We're at Carpenter Elementary, one of two Park ISD campuses where school staff are passing out meal kits like these to students via curbside. The distribution kicked off around 8 this morning. We watched as school staff loaded up 3 buses with trays filled with meal bags containing both breakfast and lunch to be delivered to 4 different locations across Deer Park and parts of Baytown, all to help children impacted by Tuesday's tornado. Families also utilized the curbside pickup option, including mom Brianna Doxtater, who stopped by with her daughter. A middle school teacher in Pasadena, Brianna says she was with while her 3 children and her dad rode out the storm in their home in Deer Park. And while her home was damaged, she says she's grateful no one was hurt. She's also grateful for the help.
I can't be with my kiddos at school, so if they're seeing me, I miss you guys, but I think this is great that they're passing out food and stuff, and they're even giving it away to, younger children, so my 2 and 3-year-old can have some too.
Meals mom Megan Rivera and her 4 kids are also thankful for.
It means a whole lot. It says that community is helping the community.
That was Michelle Choi reporting. In all, more than 6,000 meals were passed out there today.